Hello everyone, this video is about a comparative case study of two pioneers and largest green energy company. Ørsted and Tesla are both companies that are leaders in the renewable energy industry. Ørsted is a Danish company that is the world's largest offshore wind farm developer and operator, while Tesla is an American company that is a leading manufacturer and installer of solar panels and electric vehicles. Both companies are committed to reducing their carbon footprints and increasing the use of renewable energy. Tesla is an American electric vehicle and clean energy company based in Palo Alto, California. The company specializes in electric vehicle manufacturing, battery energy storage from home to grid scale, solar panel manufacturing, and providing lease and loan financing options for solar panel systems. Tesla also sells electric vehicle powertrain components to other vehicle manufacturers. Tesla was founded in 2003 and has installed over 1.5 million solar panels by the end of 2021. Their headquarters is in Texas, U.S.
Ørsted's business model is based on developing, building, and operating large-scale renewable energy projects, primarily wind farms, and selling the electricity generated from these projects to utilities and other large customers through long-term contracts. The company generate, store and sell electricity from wind power, build and operate offshore wind farms, manufactures products for the ecosystem, and sells green energy products and solutions online with a focus on the UK and European markets. Ørsted's business model is based on a long-term view of the green energy market, and the company plans to continue to grow its business by developing and owning new products and projects.
The Tesla ecosystem is a suite of integrated technologies and services that work together to support the company Tesla. It includes generating electricity, selling electricity, research and development, manufacture cars, energy storage and solar panel, and software that work together to make owning a Tesla product as seamless and convenient as possible. The company has highly invested in its own charging network, which is the largest of its kind in the world, making it easier for Tesla users to locate it through app. They spend good amount of their budget on research and innovation. The batteries used for energy storage are another important part of the ecosystem. Stored energy from Tesla panels are sold to companies and households. The new grid system makes two-way transition of electricity possible. Finally, the software that ties everything together is an important part of the Tesla ecosystem.
Ørsted ecosystem is based on providing end-to-end services to their residential and commercial customers. They manufacture products and deploy them to generate electricity. They have a decentralized marketplace to sell electricity and other green energy products to their customers. They also provide services to their customers, and the revenue generated as an outcome is then used in further research and development of products. They are also heavily relied on government subsidies to fund their project. Ørsted also DAP-Tool, which provides a way for companies to track their environmental performance, set goals, and track progress over time. Ørsted ecosystem is designed to make it easy for consumers and businesses to find and purchase renewable energy products and services. The platform includes a variety of features, such as a marketplace, a community forum, and a news feed. Now let's talk about the business model of Tesla. Tesla primarily focuses on e-commerce and direct-to-customer or direct sales and service business models. They also operate on B2B, and work directly with other businesses to meet the energy demand. We will now look into each aspect of the business model and understand how Tesla does it. Tesla's key partners include suppliers, manufacturers, and technology companies, like Panasonic and Bosch. Tesla has partnered with the United States Department of Energy, the California Energy Commission, and other research institutions. Elon Musk's selling stakes and investment decisions have created concern in the mind of investors in recent times. Tesla has also built relationships with automotive companies like Daimler, Toyota, and Volkswagen. Tesla's key activities include manufacturing. Tesla designs, engineers, manufactures, and sells its electric vehicles and energy storage products. Sales and distribution. Tesla operates its showrooms and service centers and works with third-party retailers to distribute its products. Service and repair. Tesla provides warranty and maintenance services to customers. Financing and leasing. Tesla offers customers loans, leases, and other financing options. Energy generation and storage. Tesla designs, manufactures, and installs solar energy generators and storage systems. Autopilot services. Tesla develops software and autopilot hardware for use in its vehicles. Key resources for Tesla are innovative technology. Tesla's most important resource is the innovative technology that enables it to manufacture Tesla electric vehicles, energy storage systems, and solar products. High-tech manufacturing facilities. Tesla has invested heavily in high-tech manufacturing facilities that enable it to produce vehicles and other products quickly and efficiently. Skilled human capital: Tesla has invested heavily in recruiting, training, and retaining top talent, which is essential for the continued success of its products and services. Patents: Tesla has an extensive portfolio of patents that protect its technology and give it an advantage over its competitors. Now we will talk about the values Tesla bring on the table as an organization. Tesla's value proposition is rooted in its mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Tesla vehicles feature state-of-the-art features such as autopilot, a semi-autonomous driving system, and an all-electric powertrain that is designed to maximize efficiency and minimize maintenance costs. Tesla also provides customers with access to their Tesla mobile app, which allows them to monitor their vehicle's performance, schedule service appointments, and access other features. Furthermore, Tesla's network of superchargers allows customers to quickly charge their vehicles while traveling long distances. Ultimately, Tesla's value proposition is centered on its commitment to sustainability, advanced technology, and affordability. Let's see how Tesla maintain customer relationship. Tesla regularly invites customers to join their events and activities to further foster its relationships. Tesla provides customer-friendly features such as online appointment scheduling, a mobile app, online forums and resources, and the ability to customize the requirements of energy or vehicle. Finally, Tesla uses various methods to maintain customer relationships, including providing customer service and support, offering rewards programs, and using social media. The channels through which they maintain seamless customer relationships are multiple ways. Social media: Tesla uses social media channels such as Twitter, Facebook, YouTube and Instagram to interact with customers, promote new products and services, and share company news. App and website: Tesla maintains an informative website with product information, images, videos, and a blog section. Email newsletters: Tesla sends out regular newsletters to inform customers of new products, services, and special offers. Customer service: Tesla provides direct customer service through email, phone, and in-person visits. Tesla users can be segmented into several distinct groups, each with its own unique motivations and needs. The first segment is the luxury consumer segment. These customers are willing to pay a premium for the performance and features that come with the car. The second segment is the environmentalist segment. These are customers who are passionate about reducing their carbon footprint and appreciate the environmental benefits of electric vehicles. Companies are other direct customers of Tesla as they provide energy services along with a commercial fleet of Tesla cars. They provide energy solutions to businesses adopting clean energy. The fourth segment is the tech-savvy consumer segment. These customers are often tech-savvy and appreciate the advanced technology found within Tesla vehicles. Finally, there is the early adopter segment. These are customers who are eager to be at the forefront of the new technology and are willing to accept the risks that come with being an early adopter. Now we will move on to the financial aspect of the company. Their main costs are research and development. Tesla's R&D efforts are focused on developing energy and electric vehicle technologies such as battery storage, motors, and software. Manufacturing: Tesla designs, manufactures, and assembles its vehicles, as well as the components of its energy storage products. Supply chain: Tesla sources raw materials and components from suppliers to create its vehicles and energy storage products. Shipping and delivery costs along with marketing expenses to keep up the brand value are other important expenses for the company. Tesla's revenue structure is based on sales and services of products, income from the sale of electricity and income from charging infrastructure. Overall, Tesla's business model is focused on the development and sale of innovative, high-quality products and services that contribute to the transition to a more sustainable energy system. The company aims to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy through the development and production of electric vehicles, energy storage systems, and renewable energy products. Ørsted's business model is based on e-commerce and direct-to-consumer models. Their business is based on developing, building, and operating large-scale renewable energy projects, primarily offshore wind farms, and selling the electricity generated from these projects to utilities and other large customers through long-term contracts. Ørsted also sells the green certificates associated with the renewable electricity it produces, which can be used by companies to offset their carbon emissions. Ørsted's key partners include suppliers of technology, government for subsidies, research and development partners, private investors who fund the company, strategic partners for offshore wind projects, grid integration, and energy storage, and suppliers of components. Activities performed by Ørsted are developing, constructing, and operating offshore and onshore wind farms. Ørsted also generates electricity and develops energy storage solutions for its commercial and residential customers. Component manufacturing is another important activity for them, as they also sell green energy products like solar panels and energy efficiency systems to their commercial and residential customers. Their key activity also includes investing in and developing energy-related services, such as energy trading and energy advisory services. Investing in and developing smart energy solutions, such as digital energy platforms and smart meters, and investing in research and development of green hydrogen production, green hydrogen-based fuels, along with other advanced technologies. Ørsted's key resources include its intellectual property, including its patents and proprietary technology, its experienced personnel, its operational resources such as ships, rigs, and turbines, its research and development capabilities, and its financial resources. Additionally, its access to markets, its strategic partnerships, and its ability to secure government subsidies are also key resources. Now let's look into the value Ørsted bring to the table. Ørsted is the world's largest producer of renewable energy and is committed to transitioning to a greener, more sustainable energy system. The company is committed to advancing sustainability and social responsibility by investing in communities and promoting green energy solutions. Ørsted is pioneering new technologies to create more efficient energy systems and reduce energy costs. Ørsted offers customers cost savings through its green energy solutions. And the final value the company brings to the table is that it has a global presence, with operations in 30 countries and more than 40 gigawatts of installed capacity. Ørsted strives to maintain customer relationships through a number of different methods. These include offering personalized customer service. Ørsted provides customers with tailored customer service that is tailored to their individual needs. This includes providing personalized advice and support, as well as offering tailored products and services. Developing long-term relationships. Ørsted works to build relationships with customers over time. This includes providing regular updates and newsletters, as well as offering loyalty programs and discounts. Utilizing feedback. Ørsted uses customer feedback to better understand their customers' needs and wants, and to improve their products and services accordingly. Building trust. Ørsted works to establish trust with customers through transparent communication, honest feedback, and reliable customer service. Here are a few channels used by Ørsted to foster customer relationships. Social media platforms. Ørsted uses a variety of social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube to engage with customers, share news and updates, and promote their products and services. Website, email and phone. Ørsted's website is a great way to communicate with customers, provide them with information and resources, and showcase their products and services. They use email to keep customers informed about the company's activities and solicit feedback. Ørsted also provides customers with a toll-free phone number to call for customer service inquiries. Surveys. Ørsted uses surveys to gather customer feedback and preferences and use this information to improve their products and services. Events. Ørsted organizes events to engage with customers and provide them with an opportunity to learn more about their products and services. Ørsted customer segments are industrial customers. Companies such as Nestlé, Microsoft, and British Airways use Ørsted's energy solutions for their large-scale operations. Commercial customers. Businesses such as hotels, shopping centers, and offices that use Ørsted's energy solutions to lower their energy costs and carbon emissions. Residential customers. Homeowners and tenants who use Ørsted's energy solutions to save money and reduce their environmental footprint. Public sector customers. Government bodies, universities, and hospitals that use Ørsted's energy solutions to meet their sustainability goals. Now we will look into the financial aspect of the company. The major costs or expenses for Ørsted are the construction and operation costs of their wind farms. The company also spends heavily on grids for electricity transmission. Other costs include financing, research and development, and sales and marketing expenses. Ørsted earns revenue primarily from 4 sources. Sales of electricity. Ørsted generates revenue by selling electricity generated from its renewable energy sources to commercial and residential customers. Grid services. Ørsted also generates revenue through the sale of grid services such as balancing and frequency control, ancillary services, and reserve capacity. Energy storage solutions. Ørsted provides energy storage solutions for its customers, such as batteries, compressed air energy storage, and flywheel systems. Support services. Ørsted provides a range of other services to its customers, such as operation and maintenance services, energy consulting services, and engineering services. Ørsted has a global presence, with operations in Europe, North America, and Asia. The company aims to be a leader in the transition to a green energy future and is committed to reducing its own carbon footprint by innovating its business. Here is a Venn diagram representing the similarities and differences between Tesla and Ørsted. Starting from similarities, both are green energy companies. They are heavily invested in research and development, hence innovation becomes their core and gives them a competitive advantage in the market. Tesla and Ørsted operate on similar business models. Both use e-commerce and direct sales to consumers and businesses. Both companies also provide energy storage for their customers. The differences are in product type. Tesla is focused on electric vehicles, solar panels, and battery storage, while Ørsted is focused on offshore wind power and natural gas. Tesla has one of the biggest charging infrastructures in the world, which is key to their EV products, whereas Ørsted provides service and maintenance by skilled human capital. Tesla is an American company, while Ørsted is a Danish company. Tesla is publicly traded, while Ørsted is privately owned. Now let us talk about some facts, starting with Ørsted. Ørsted is a Danish multinational corporation that is primarily involved in the development and operation of offshore wind farms. Ørsted was founded in 1972 as a state-owned company and was originally named Danish Oil and Natural Gas, DONG. In 2017, Ørsted rebranded and changed its name from Dong Energy to Ørsted, in honor of Danish scientist Hans Christian Ørsted, who is known for discovering electromagnetism in 1820. Ørsted is the world's largest developer and operator of offshore wind farms, with a total installed capacity of over 15 gigawatts across 11 countries. In addition to offshore wind, Ørsted is also involved in the development of renewable energy technologies such as solar power and energy storage systems. The company aims to be carbon neutral by 2025 and to help its customers become carbon neutral by 2030. Now here are some facts about Tesla. Tesla Incorporated was founded in 2003 by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, with the goal of producing electric vehicles and renewable energy. The company is named after inventor and electrical engineer Nikola Tesla. In February 2004, via $6.5 million investment, Elon Musk became the largest shareholder of the company. He has served as CEO since 2008. Tesla's first production vehicle, the Tesla Roadster, was released in 2008. It was the first all-electric sports car and could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds. Tesla is known for its innovative use of technology, including the use of lithium-ion battery cells and the implementation of over-the-air updates for its vehicles. In 2016, Tesla introduced the Tesla Powerwall, a home battery system that stores excess solar energy for use during power outages or times of high electricity demand. In 2020, Tesla became the first publicly traded company to reach a market capitalization of over $500 billion. Now let's look into some challenges faced by Tesla along with some plausible solutions. Limited production capacity. Tesla faces challenges with respect to production capacity as it aims to ramp up the production of its vehicles. Tesla can address their limited production capacity problem by implementing various strategies like automating processes, enhancing supply chain management, outsourcing production, investing in new technology, and hiring more staff. High costs. Tesla's business model is capital-intensive and based on investing heavily in research and development, as well as advertising and marketing, which results in high fixed costs. They can address these issues by increasing efficiency, creating affordable models, developing new technology, and offering incentives and tax credits to buyers of its electric vehicles, making them more affordable to the public. Dependence on subsidies. Tesla's business model depends heavily on government subsidies and incentives, which are not guaranteed in the long term. The withdrawal of subsidies could adversely impact the company's financials. They can reduce production costs, increase the adoption of renewable energy sources, develop better battery technology, and provide government incentives for electric vehicle adoption. This could include tax credits, reduced registration fees, or waive tolls to reduce such dependencies. Volatile stock price. Tesla's stock price is highly volatile, which makes it difficult to raise capital through equity financing. They can increase transparency, diversify their product portfolio, and pursue further strategic partnerships to resolve the issue. Competition. Tesla faces stiff competition from established automakers as well as new entrants in the electric vehicle market. Tesla can provide a variety of products, focus on new product lines, and build customer experience and loyalty to tackle competition. Here are some challenges faced by Ørsted along with advised solutions. Access to financing. As a privately owned company, Ørsted may have difficulty accessing the financing necessary to continue its operations and expansion. Ørsted can use securitization to access financing for their projects by packaging their assets and then selling them in the form of securities such as bonds. They can also get in joint ventures and crowdfunding to access finance from interested parties. Technology risk: Ørsted's business model depends on the successful development and deployment of new offshore wind technology. If the technology fails to live up to expectations, Ørsted's business could be adversely affected. Ørsted can develop a framework which includes policies and procedures to identify, monitor, and manage technology-related risks. Ørsted can implement and maintain security measures such as network security, firewalls, and encryption, and invest in training and education for its employees on the proper use of technology and cybersecurity best practices. Dependence on subsidies: Ørsted is currently reliant on government subsidies to make its business model viable. Ørsted can increase energy efficiency, invest in a diverse portfolio of renewable energy sources, and further invest in research and development of new technologies. Regulation risk: changes in government regulation could adversely affect Ørsted's business model. For example, if the government decides to reduce the subsidies available to offshore wind farms, Ørsted's profitability could be negatively impacted. Ørsted can deploy regulatory risk management software to assess, monitor, and track potential risks related to regulatory changes. They can also create a dedicated regulatory risk management team with expertise in the relevant regulatory issues. Ørsted can conduct regular reviews of its existing regulatory policies to ensure that they remain up to date and in line with changing regulations. This can help to identify and address any potential risks before they become serious. To synthesize the comparison between two companies, Ørsted has the advantage of having a more established presence in the renewable energy sector. They have an extensive portfolio of projects and a well-established business model. On the other hand, Tesla is a relatively new company and still has much to prove in the renewable energy sector. In conclusion, both Ørsted and Tesla are two of the leading renewable energy companies in the world. Both companies have ambitious goals for the future, and both are heavily investing in research and development. Ultimately, both companies have different approaches to the renewable energy sector, but both have the potential to become major players in the industry. At the end, let's thank a person whose contribution made these two companies possible. Born in 1900, Maria Telkes was a Hungarian-American scientist and inventor best known for her development of the first successful solar-powered heating system. A pioneer in solar energy, Telkes was also a leading figure in the development of the thermoelectric refrigerator and desalination of seawater. She received numerous honors and awards for her work, including the American Institute of Chemical Engineers Professional Progress Award in 1974, and the National Medal of Technology in 1990. Thank you so much for watching.